are in a certain place, Zeeshan, right? Some people may go ahead and say, hey, this is chance, this is luck, this is hard work, right? Whatever it is. How would you describe your journey?
Okay, fine. I think my opinion on this particular aspect has changed and has evolved over the
Hmm.
last 1 to 2 years.
Hmm.
When I was an 18, 19-year-old, I thought, you know how 18, 19-year-olds are, right? They have no context to the world. They think, they can go out there and do anything in the world.
Correct.
And I had that kind of an attitude where I believe that if there's something I wish to achieve, I would go out there and figure my way out, and it is all under my control. The only
Hmm.
thing that matters is me. The only thing that matters is whether if I'm able to make it there or not will be my capabilities and my maybe my skill set as an entrepreneur, right?
Hmm.
But over the last few years, after maturing, I've realized that it's not only about your skill sets, it's not only about your ability. There's so
Hmm.
many more factors that come in. There
Hmm.
is a little bit of factor of luck, there's a little bit of factor of faith, there's a little bit of factor of your skill set, as well
Hmm.
as more importantly, your leadership capacity,
Very
right?
good.
So you might have amazing skills,
Hmm.
but if you don't have a great leadership capacity,
Hmm.
the effectiveness of your skills or the effectiveness of the work that you're doing is fairly very limited, right?
Hmm.
So these are the things that I learned, and I realized that it's a little bit of everything. It's not just about faith, luck, attitude, or skill set. It's everything plays a part in it, and people may say whatever they they want to, but
Depending upon where they are, they will have their own
yeah,
interpretation.
yeah,
No, I love your energy, Zishan.